In this video, we're going to see a Unraid review. Unraid is a flexible Linux-based operating system designed for managing storage, running Docker containers, and hosting virtual machines. It's popular for home servers, media centers, and personal clouds thanks to its ease to use and versatile feature set. Its flexible storage management with mixed drive support and priority protection has Docker integration for running apps like Plex, Nextcloud, and more. KVM-based virtual machine hosting. It is beginner-friendly and a good interface and setup, mix and match drives without complex RID and all-in-one solutions, NAS, Docker, and VMs. Great for media servers, backups, and self-hosted apps, and has a large active community and plugin ecosystem, but it has a paid license with a free trial. It's not open source and slightly less robust file system compared to ZFS. So, Unraid is a powerful and user-friendly platform, ideal for home users who want a flexible server without the complexity of enterprise setups. Its combo of storage, Docker, and VM support makes it perfect for home labs, especially media-focused or multi-purpose servers. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.